Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect a printer to a laptop running Windows. First, make sure your printer is plugged in and turned on, with plenty of paper ready to go. If you have a wired printer, simply connect it to your laptop using a USB cable. For wireless models, ensure both your printer and laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process. Now, let's add your printer through Windows settings. Begin by clicking the Start button, then selecting Settings. From there, navigate to Bluetooth and Devices, and then Printers and Scanners. You'll see an option to Add Device. Click this, and your laptop will start searching for any printers connected wirelessly or via a USB cable. This step helps Windows recognize your new hardware. Once your printer is detected, you might need to install its specific drivers. If prompted, visit your printer's manufacturer website to download the correct software. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After the drivers are installed, print a test page. This crucial step confirms that your printer is communicating correctly with your laptop and is ready for all your printing needs. Sometimes, you might encounter a small hiccup. A simple restart of both your printer and laptop can often fix minor connection issues. If problems persist, consult your printer's user manual or the manufacturer's support website for detailed troubleshooting guides. Also, ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated, as this can resolve compatibility problems. With these tips, you'll be printing smoothly in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.